Alright guys, this is E-Unit. What's up? Fresh out for on call. About to do this Albino Rhino RT, also known as Albino Rhino Charger. This is the transformation challenge. This is alright, yeah, if y'all haven't seen my year-end challenge by Jeremy's Black Hemi, you can see all the mods that I've done. So if you guys have any questions, just feel free to bust out in the comments. That's all it's tuned for. Got my two rows, man. I gotta get some in the front. Get that 275 all the way around, you know. Do a little more mods. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is, but I'm gonna give you one of my future plans is do a couple debadging. Gotta make the car a little cleaner before I do another major change to it. Also, there's a nail in this tire. You can see right there. If I can focus right there. So definitely time to get new front tires. Good thing it wasn't in the back, man. I'll be hurting. Anyway, guys, gotta go home. It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm gonna have to hit a couple more challenges later.